What was the Eastern Question and its effect on the Ottomans? What was the Eastern Question and how did it impact the Ottoman Empire? This question is key to understanding the shifts in Southeast European history and the Balkan Wars. The Eastern Question revolved around the political instability of the Ottoman Empire and the competition among European nations for its territories. As the empire weakened from the late 18th century, it struggled to maintain control over its Balkan provinces. This created a power vacuum that fueled nationalist movements and invited foreign intervention. In Southeast Europe, the Eastern Question accelerated Ottoman territorial losses. The rise of ethno-religious nationalism was evident with movements for Greek independence in the 1820s, followed by Serbian, Bulgarian, and Romanian aspirations. These nationalist movements eroded Ottoman authority and led to significant changes in the region. European powers like Russia, Britain, and Austria-Hungary took advantage of these revolts, often positioning themselves as protectors of Christian populations under Ottoman rule. Military defeats further weakened the empire. The Russo-Turkish War from 1828 to 1829 and the Crimean War from 1853 to 1856 forced the Ottomans to grant autonomy or independence to several Balkan states. By the late 19th century, the empire had lost most of its Southeast European territories. Bosnia was occupied by Austria-Hungary in 1878, and Bulgaria was granted autonomy the same year. The Balkan Wars from 1912 to 1913 marked the final expulsion of Ottoman forces from the region. By the end of these conflicts, only a small portion of land in eastern Thrace remained under Ottoman control. The Eastern Question transformed the political landscape of Southeast Europe. Newly independent states emerged, but their borders often reflected the interests of great powers rather than the ethnic or historical realities of the region. This situation sowed tensions that would persist into the 20th century. The withdrawal of the Ottoman Empire intensified rivalries among local powers and European nations, contributing to the instability that led to World War I in practical terms. The Eastern Question highlighted how Southeast Europe became a battleground for imperial ambitions. Local aspirations for self-determination were frequently overshadowed by external geopolitical calculations. The decline of the Ottoman Empire left a legacy of fragmented nation-states and unresolved territorial disputes. This shaped the modern identity of the region and its ongoing conflicts. Understanding the Eastern Question is essential for grasping the historical context of Southeast Europe and the lasting effects of Ottoman territorial losses.